Righto guys, we just stopped, got our beach passes for Stockton, and we're just about to enter the dirt track which takes us out onto the beach now.
Yeah, so it's we're only on there for 2 days. Yeah mate, we're only on there for 2 days and then the 1 night sleepover. We're staying in the purple area. It's $33 for the 3-day pass. They don't do a 1-day pass. But look, other than that, we've had a cruisy drive up from TJ's, and what else? It's 11 barriers, isn't it? Look at the sun. Sun's out.
Living, mate.
We've got our permit up there, and yeah, we're all good to go, guys.
Righto guys, we just pulled down to the start of the Stockton Beach entrance. We're just letting down our tyres. We'll come over to Cooper and he'll explain the text behind this.
How you going, guys? I'm dropping my tyres down to 16 PSI. Nick's going to go down to 14, it's a bit lighter, a bit heavier. The whole point of dropping your tyres, guys, is as the tyre drops, it starts to bellow out a bit, which gives you a wider track print on the ground. These muddies are pretty good on the sand anyways, but yeah, it's always good to drop your tyre pressures before you go on the beach, guys, even off road for that matter, and then you can always change how much air you take back out. That's why. I'm blind to see how soft it actually is.
Well, this is already here.
Alright guys, we just let the tyres down. I did have a little issue with the left back wheel, the valve. The valve was a little bit stuck on it, but I just got in there with a little stick and moved it around and it came back out. So I had to pump the tyres back up because we're down too low. Anyways, that's all done now. We're all good. We're heading onto the beach. Hectic.
Oh, look
yeah.
how nice that is, man. Righto guys, we just got to Stockton Beach. Look at this. Oh my days.
All good? Easy.
How good's this?
Sick. It wasn't too bad, guys. We've heard of a few people going in. It gets pretty soft, especially in that first bit, but pretty much did it with these, I think. All good. Even the Luxus survived.
Alright, we're just off to find our campsite now, and
Good to go, mate.
should be all good. Righto guys, we've just got lunch cooking with Chef Dylan here.
There we go. A few snaggos.
A few rolls.
Sun's out. Water's behind us over there. I don't actually know where you get off there.
guys, look at this setup for tonight. Woo. Just getting into camp now. Absolutely beautiful. There's only 2 cars over there at the moment. Other than that, we're all pretty good. Just drying the awnings out. We had a little bit of rain last night. But, oh god, it's turned it on, hasn't it, Dill? Happy, mate?
Absolute cracker, mate.
Had a good drive, mate?
Beautiful drive.
Yes, very lovely. Nick.
Tyre scored. Oh,
To
hello,
Para.
hello.
Gonna have a little fire tonight. Everyone's over there, grabbing a bit of wood. Just chilling, guys. It's nice. Looks beautiful.
Woo! It's hard to axe.
Alright, let's get a bit of beer done in there, yeah, dude.
Get the butter.
This is not how you cook, guys.
There we go.
Freedom from...
So first we'll do explanation.
There we go. Righto, guys. Bit of water. Oh, we haven't explained what we're cooking.
Oh, pasta.
So,
with mince.
bit of pasta with mince tonight, guys.
Add pasta sauce. Very simple because
we got 5.
we are on a budget because we are broke.
Alright.
So subscribe, please.
You need
Hey, spatula.
and tongs.
Come on. I mean,
Yeah. Oh, it's just sweat heaps to make it really hard for him to like edit it.
oh
He's gonna go
yeah.
through and cut out every word.
Yeah. Cooper's really bad at editing, guys. Like that's
Nick.
why the content's pretty poor.
Nick's really bad at cooking, but that's why we feel bad for him.
So
So
I'm
we give
actually
him more
like a
opportunity.
little bit of a chef, but you know, Cooper's like he calls himself a chef, but he's pretty bad at cooking. So
Couldn't agree more.
I don't reckon you got
I don't think it's hot enough. Anyway, a bit more butter.
You just said it's not hot enough. Why would you put more butter on?
Cause like you know like no language.
Yeah, buddy.
We have a bowl full of water. It's
Let me know what you
ready
need.
for the penne pasta. Very good. Good stuff. Very hot. Don't touch. So yeah, we kind of need this to heat up, Cooper. Like shake it around. It's just the touch, you know. I have the touch. Cooper just can't cook.
Yeah, nah.
He's just like
Last night he burnt carrots.
he's Italian, but he can't cook pasta. So you just like break the crap up. I don't know. It's almost out of date, but that's alright.
Do we need a level? Are we a bit that way?
Yeah, we are a bit.
Cooper, if you hold this
Oh,
side the
cut
whole
that
time-
out. Cut that part out. Get done.
Oh mate, we would get cancelled. That's it, done.
I mean, we've got a like in here.
Hang on.
Yeah, no, we're
He's
like,
doing the food.
we're showing respect to it.
Yeah, that's
You know what I mean?
Because we respect that he loves.
Just gag ball.
Steady the table while I lift it through.
You have a good time editing this.
So well, I think we need a bit of a bigger pan, but should be right. We're kind of making like a burger now, I think. Puivast. Oh,
You've got mince in there, you idiot.
yeah.
No, it's alright.
He'll cook.
It's alright,
I hope so.
It's alright.
It's kind of in the pasta order, but she'll be right. Spewing, aren't we?
Ready to get it out?
Is that hot? Oh, straight back here.
Is it hot already?
Fresh. It's not cooking. So basically, you just, you know, yeah.
You just sort of.
Yeah, but Cooper got his peas and drove his piece of out here, guys. So he calls it a V8, but it's actually this V6 piece of shit. Can we like drop a cover there? Like I'm getting pelted by the wind. So we have this stuff. How do you say that? Dom.
There we go, I got it.
Domlio, I think Domlio.
Yeah, so I can see you.
Domlimio, I think. I don't know how to talk English. No English.
I don't know how to talk English.
But I can't read that.
the pegs.
Anyway, it's like garlic with like extra pasta sauce. So all you basically do is you just you crack her open and you just wallop her in. So yeah, you fill her up with sauce basically, and you mix it. You give her a little massage. You know, you gotta massage the meat.
How's that, Nicky?
Yeah, that's sweet. Yeah, that's beautiful. Cheers.
I'll say yalla to the inshallah yalla.
That's malala.
Oh, that's got heaps of.
That's the mixer. Like it's just like.
Oh, does it add flavour?
It's not really cooking. Like the water, but we'll see.
So guys, we just chucked a little.
Oh shit!
Okay. We
No,
are
wait, let me crack from this side and we get like a cool angle.
just cooking up.
Oh, you good? You good? You good?
That was the timber. We almost lost.
Timber!
Is that level? Yeah, she's level.
Hello, well, I'm the chef. I cook this stuff and it tastes really good. I'll get the pasta going because that'll take ages.
Yeah, get it going.
The water's like lukewarm. So today we are just using San Remo. Pino. Oh sh! Far out, that's not good.
What happened?
We kind of like lost like plastic in there,
Dylan can eat that one.
and we oh,
Don't litter, guys.
no, don't let her.
What is in the pasta?
A bit of meat,
A bit of meat, plastic, everything.
Oh yuck! Oh,
Get the pets back in the
I
cupboard,
hope this is like edible.
in the swag
Oh,
cupboard.
right.
We do it the RnC way, guys.
Got it?
There's none left.
What are you after, Nick?
A spoon, I need to like taste this so it doesn't taste like pasta.
Spoon matata. Do you want a little? Oh.
So you gotta massage the meat, everyone.
Probably like proper Italian then.
Yeah, it is. All the fat and shit. Don't want it all. Don't want nothing at all.
What did you need the tongs for?
No idea.
Okay. Righto, guys. Gonna strain the pasta. Where do you want to do it?
Just here. Oh, yeah, 2 hands.
Alright, please.
Like one on either end.
Please don't burn me.
Like this, it'll be. Oh,
Good form, good form.
Just go slow, you're gonna burn me. Slow, go slow.
Good effort, boys. Good effort.
Yeah.
That's boiling water, mate.
That's hot.
I can't go any slower.
Alright. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here she comes.
If you drop that, I will like live. It's gonna be hot.
Yeah, I know, I'm aware. Not very good. Oh, look at that. Wow. I think there's actually too much in there for this little strain.
Yeah, there will be.
Yeah, that's fine, but that means that's sweet. Beautiful.
Yeah, nice boys.
Too easy.
Bit of pasta.
How is it?
Yeah, she's cooked all.
So yeah, pretty cold here at
Stockton Beach.
So warmed up with pasta.
Oh, mate, we're good, aren't
Yeah,
we?
good.
Oh, wow.
Chuck her in. Hopefully we don't spill any because Cooper can clean it anyway, so that'll be right.
We've also got no salt and pepper, so she better be perfect straight away. These are really small bowls, we might have to keep coming back.
What
Sick as.
What utensils do we have?
Nothing.
That's
Chopsticks.
good.
So make sure when you guys go away, you bring some cooking utensils and cooking oil.
Much good after that.
It's been alright.
Not bad for our first.
No, can you delete that part where I sucked in the pasta?
No.
Righto guys, bit of pasta. Very yummy, very simple to make. Boys are just chilling over there by the fire. All in all, dinner was a success tonight. So got a little tarp we chucked up to cover us from the wind a bit, but all good guys.
bit of an update, guys. We just packed up camp and we're on our way out of Stockton Beach now, yeah?
Yeah, the boys, yeah. It was a good trip, a little bit of rain this morning, which made the pack up a bit wet, but all in all, not too bad. Had a great feed last night. Off to the pie shop, grab a bit of brekkie, and what more do you want? Alright boys, what do you think of Stockton?
Mate, absolute beauty. Great trip. Want to come back and yeah, good memories.
Yeah, couldn't have said it better myself. Cheers. Right guys, just now pumping up the tyres to get back on the road and cruise home. Gonna stop into the pie shop or something, grab a feed, and yeah.
Righto guys, we're just about an hour away from home now. Highly enjoyed Stockton, it was really great. When the sun was out, it was awesome. What do you reckon, mate?
Yeah, 100%, couldn't agree more. Stockton's a great place, first time being there, and yeah, really enjoyed it. It's quad bike, dirt bike in there as well if you want, guys. Yeah, it's great.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, it helps us out heaps.
We've also got our merch, guys. There'll be a merch link